Oh man, look at beautiful Tampa, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. So we're actually headed to bike night tonight. It's later in like a couple hours. God, this bike's just screaming. But I'm going to meet up with a friend. We're going to grab some food and kind of check out some local spots, some eateries. Wow, this is just gorgeous, dude. Holy cow. I need to come out and do like a sunset cruise when the sun's actually out. Or during the day, just come by and do a beach ride, man. Because this is just sick. What a vibe, dude. Oh, so this is the infamous Gandy Bridge. So this is where the racing goes down in Tampa, man. I see, I know why. It's just literally a straight shot. That is perfect for racing. Alright, so obviously it's a few hours later. Alright, we need gas. Let's go to the Exxon over here. God, I love this bike, man. I'm becoming a Beamer boy. It kills me to admit that, man. We got 7 miles to E. I was running a little late, so I didn't want to stop earlier. But that's the beauty of the Beamer. It tells you exactly how long you got to E. Now, it's never good to run your bike down like that. This is a very rare occasion. I never do this, but it is what it is. 3.8 gallons. She was empty. Alright, we're good. I'm sorry, Mona. I won't do that again. Golly, man, this is such a beautiful bike. BMW killed it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I first saw this thing, I was like, I don't know if I'm feeling it, but the longer I've owned it, the more I've just grown to love it. It's so good. It's fast, sounds good, it's comfortable, it's got all the amenities. It's hard to beat this. Like, I find myself, honestly, when I go in the garage, just grabbing the keys of the Beamer every time. And the full carbon with all the colors and everything on here just pops. Oh man, I think this might be my favorite bike. I know, I said it, I know. We're headed to bike night, OCC bike night. Apparently it's a pretty big bike night. I'm pretty sure it's the same facility that I ended the video at when we got the ticket last time I was down here. So I got to be careful in this area. Got my head on a swivel right now because I'm sure the cop that gave me that ticket is still out patrolling this area. So I want to try and lay somewhat low. That's definitely not the type of content I enjoy getting, but it's part of the game sometimes. Now I do think it's more of like a Harley type meet, so I heard they're pretty cool about sport bikes coming. And I think I saw they're gonna have like live music and all sorts of cool stuff, so. And then we'll see what type of shenanigans we can get into afterwards. Maybe we'll go back and visit Gandy and see what's popping. But I heard Highway Patrol's been really patrolling that just for some incidents that have happened recently. If Highway Patrol is anything like KSP, which is Kentucky's State Patrol, or GSP, which is Georgia's State Patrol, it's just one police unit you don't mess with. It's kind of like well known. Woo! Woo! I love the wheelie control on this bike. This is probably the best wheelie control on any bike, because you feel it catch, but on other bikes, it'll put the wheel immediately back down. It'll cut the power and put it back down. This one will still, like, it'll stop it and let the wheel just hover right there. Like, BMW, chef's kiss, man. That is awesome. It's such like a weird feeling to like feel it stop even though you're still giving it more throttle. There's a couple of them. And we made it. Oh, and there's lots of cops. Nice. Just what I want. I don't see any sport bikes. setup out here. Oh, there are all the bikes. I'm like, where are all the freaking bikes at, dude? Alright, anyways. Yeah, all Harleys out here. Where is everybody? See a couple sport bikes. Nothing crazy though. Got a Busa. All the big boys out here, man. All the heavy hitters. Got another Busa. All the lights on there. That's actually pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I see lots of Harley. You got a ZX14. I don't know if you guys can see anything right now because it's kind of dark, but R6. Not bad, man, not bad. Alright, let me see where everyone is. This is pretty dope though. Nice cool little setup out here. This dude's loving it. You want me to get off of it? Let's go, baby. Yeah, let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go. You what? Nate Stunts. K Stunts? Nate Stunts. Nate Stunts. Dylan, nice to meet you, man. What bike you got?
I got 636.
That's what's up, man. We got some of the boys pulling up, it looks like. What's good, bro? I should have texted you.
Oh, you just texted me?
No, I should have texted you.
About to leave?
No, I pulled up and didn't see anyone, so I was like, I might just bounce. I'll come park with y'all though. Yeah. Alright, cool. He was at my meetup that I hosted a ride over the summer. When I got the ticket, he was there. Cool, I'm glad they just pulled up. I was like, this isn't really my scene.
Hey, you bring the cops here again?
I know, right? I saw him, I was like, PTSD, man.
Oh, that new Beamer is so sexy.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's something you got to see in person to really appreciate, you know what I'm saying?
That bitch is so nice.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you, dog. Nice. Thank you. What's going on, man? Who you say it was?
Sean.
Sean, Dylan, nice to meet you, man.
So good. So listen to this. Hey, you know the girl that you posted on your story?
Which one?
The one Jixer Jax?
Yeah.
That's my girl.
Okay, I figured, because I think I went and looked. I was like, who is this? Yeah, I saw y'all had a picture. You posted the first picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
When she saw it, she sent me a screenshot of it at work. I'm like on the machines.
Yeah.
And I'm looking, I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, oh my god.
Yeah. Hell yeah, nice to officially meet you. Sorry. I don't know what you wanted. Dylan.
That's 24?
23. Yes. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, sorry. Nice to officially meet you.
It didn't come with them tires, did it?
Yeah, everything's not the name. I put the stickers on there.
What's your favorite?
I just said it in the video. I was like, man, I think it might be the Beamer, man. I'm falling for this. I love this bike, bro. It's fast. It's got the looks. It's all carbon. It's sexy. I mean, wheelie controls fire on it. It sounds good. I don't know my way around here. So it's got the navigation I've been using to help me get around, you know what I'm saying?
First movie, I had to get a phone mount.
Exactly, yeah, because I'm like, I don't know where I'm going, you know what I'm saying, ever, man. So that's why I keep hopping on this. I'm like, it's just so convenient, man. It's comfortable. Like, it's just hard to beat, you know what I'm saying?
See, I've always been Suzuki. Like, I got the 23 one.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, that's nice. Yeah.
If I ever go something else, it's probably
the Beamer, yeah. Most people make that jump from the Gixxer to the Beamer, man, so.
I would still keep that one, but I think Beamer would be the next one.
Yeah, hey, that's a good little move, man, for sure. I say this is the when people move on from the Gixxer, they usually get to the S1K. So I say this is the new Gixxer now, man. You pull up to any meet, there's like 20 S1K. I'm like, damn, man.
The first
You've seen?
gear I've seen with that look.
Oh hell yeah, he's got the gear on. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I appreciate it, man. He's a real one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more.
Hell yeah, shout out to him, man. I'll throw his Instagram up on the screen. There we go. Thank you. Seeing it in person is way better, right? Exactly. I try and tell people that all the time. Like, it looks way better in person, I promise.
When they it came out with this?
Yeah, I was like, yeah. Yeah, it came with all that. Man, I think they did a really good job with this bike, like not overdoing it. Got some more people pulling up here. Got Aprilia and Ape. We got an S1K. A little ZX, I don't know what that one is. Looks like a ZX6. And then a CBR 600rr. Got a little stunt bike action as well. And a blade hiding in the back. Woo! Mona looking sexy. This is my first time seeing this color scheme too. This is pretty dope, man. Yeah, that looks good. Let me show y'all this Busa over here, man. This thing is sick. So he's got it stretched. Got the lights. How's it going, man?
What's up, man?
This is beautiful, man. Yeah, look at this tire. Hold on, let me put y'all on my phone real quick. Yeah, we got Tom out here, man. He's a supporter. Said he was watching this morning and saw that I moved down here, and he was like, small world that he came down. I'm coming down to Tampa. Thank you, man. He's got this beautiful booster right here. Look at this. This, like, I got a pretty big hand, guys, and that's, what size is that?
That's 360.
360 on the rear.
I haven't washed it, so it's a little dirty.
Yeah, hey, it's still beautiful though, man. All the lights and everything on here. Custom swing arm. How much is it stretched?
It's 22 inches.
22-inch stretch. And what size is the rear tire?
360.
360. That's bigger than what's on my truck. And I got a Tundra TRD Pro, man. So like that's give y'all some perspective of how big that back wheel is. Yeah, this thing's sick. What all have you done to it?
Well, just the swing arm package, the outside drive.
Okay.
Then the triple tree.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So
and
beautiful.
all the work up top.
Yep.
The rim package, obviously, I did. The rest of it's factory. I bought it just this year.
Yeah, this thing is so nice. I love it, man.
And then the Ohio State seat was by Sammy C.
Yeah, you an Ohio State fan?
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
my gosh, man. That's my only complaint with this bike, man. Golly, Ohio State, man.
Listen, I'm rooting for Michigan to win because it's
There we go. There we go. All right, I'll take that then.
You know,
I'll take that. I'm from Georgia, so I went to University of Georgia.
Yeah.
I went to University of Kentucky too. So yeah, I got both SEC, man. But yeah, good game last year, right?
Yeah. It was.
Where's Georgia? That was fun.
Dude, I am happy you're here, man. You're gonna change the scene down here.
I hope so, man. I really do
will.
hope so.
I know you will.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man. Yeah, check out how close the chain is to the tire. That's like millimeters right there. He said if the chain is loose, it'll sometimes hit the tire and take some chunks out. You gotta stay on top of that chain, but definitely worth the look though, man.
Oh shit, 650! What up, baby?
Hey, wrong guy, man. Wrong black guy. How you doing, man? You good? Hell yeah, man. Yeah, got some little boys pulling up as well. Hell yeah.
Man, we got kicked out. We got kicked out.
It's all good, man. It's all good. We're not allowed to park over here. But anything H2 related, I love. Real quick, they just stopped the music. I want to show you guys around real quick. Got a little stage area where they're playing music. Got like pool tables, stuff over here. They got a little shop. All right, here we go. I got my AirPlugs back in, or my, sorry, earplugs back in. So hopefully I'm not talking too loud. But yeah, this, I got to get another helmet. This ain't it. But yeah, R7 out here. Look at this beautiful CBR. Love the color scheme on here. FRI, we got 600rr as well. Busa, love the print that's on here. It's pretty sick. Pretty sure it's a wrap. Yeah, that's just hard, man. It's hard. Gixxer 1K, Gixxer 600, Lady Rider out here. We got a single R that's going to be tagging along as well. The X6. I love like the red stunt change look. A little S1K action. Alright, let's get on Mona. Then we got the boys over here as well. S1K. We got a blade. We got an 8th out here as well. Then hiding in the back, we got a 600rr. Hell yeah. And we also got a ZX6R. So this will be a good time, man. Alright, let's do this. Enough talking. Let's ride, baby. He's got a little passenger on the back. This will be fun to watch. We're gonna do a little quick little night run. All these guys seem really cool in this group, man. They do a north run on Sundays. Then we hit some twisty back roads, so we'll have to join them. They got a big like track guy kind of crew. Yeah, guys, we're making new friends out here, baby. Slowly getting integrated into the Tampa bike life. Yes, sir. It's a freaking Thursday night in Tampa, boy. That's what I'm talking about. In December. And we are out on the bikes, man. That's what I came down here for. To bring all this content, boys. So, man, if y'all enjoying this stuff, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1 mil. Help us get there. I'm gonna do everything I can in my power. But I need y'all's help, man. I greatly appreciate it. Talking that talk, Mona. Talking that talk.